Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Libras. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy, Libras. So this is for your daily energy, Libras. I'll be picking one card for your career situation, guys. This is the card, and one card for your relationship, and we will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, Libra. So for your daily energies, guys, before we start the reading, I would like to thank you all for your support, guys, and for your positive comments for the videos. Let us start the reading now. So for your daily energies, Libras, it's the Tower, Six of Wands in reverse, and Seven of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, you may be seeing sudden changes in your situation, guys. Maybe emotional release, maybe because of some circumstances you are facing, and you are seeing the truth, maybe truth about this person, or truth about you in a particular circumstance, and you are simply shocked by what you are seeing, the truth about this person or about you or some situation, guys. So most of you may be very emotional today, and also for some of you are breaking away from some patterns, guys, maybe some habits, or maybe some behavior patterns, maybe something, and it is causing stress in your situation. So this change, this new change that you are seeing in your situation, that may be the reason for some troubles in your day, some adjustment difficulties you may be having, because you are changing your way, how you deal with the problem, or how you deal with the particular situation, guys. Or this may be what you are expecting of your person. You may expect them to change their ways in a particular circumstance, or how they behave in this connection, or they may expect you to change your ways in this connection or a particular circumstance, and you are trying to do that, and you find it really difficult, guys. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, whatever desires that you were having in your situation, this may relate your career situation or your personal life, guys. Whatever desires that you had, you may be seeing that successful completion of that, or a successful attainment of that desire, and fulfillment of that desire. So something good is happening today, guys, and maybe it may be something in your work situation also, some projects that you are expecting to get that results, that may succeed. Or in your personal life, maybe this understanding with this person, or that deep meaningful connection with this person, whatever you were expecting, so you are reaching that success today. That is what I see. So a sense of happiness because of that. But you may be emotional because of some changes that you are making in your situation, or when you are seeing the truth about something. And also I see here that for some of you, it may be this truth that is being revealed to you. It may be something positive, maybe some you would have feared some negative things, and The truth you are learning is something positive, and some of you may be happy. But when it is negative for some of you, it may cause fear and some kind of stressful situation today, guys. And you may see how people are trying to deceive you in some ways. So that may be the reason for stress also, guys. So you need to be aware of those people who are trying to trick you in your situation and stay away from them. That is what I see with these cards. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your career situation, you may be lucky. Maybe, guys, we saw with the previous cards that it may be a good news or a bad news. So with this card here, I see that it can be a good news. So some success you are enjoying, some sense of fulfillment and extremely positive results. You may be getting fortunate results from your projects or some business collaborations, whatever you are into. So success, you are tasting success. But the people you are with, they may be jealous of you and the way you handle your situation, go about your work, execute your duties. They may see you as a person who is quite arrogant and who is abusing their position and power. Maybe you are CEO of your company, or you are a top level manager, you handle other people maybe. So these people who are working with you, your colleagues or employees, they may see you as an arrogant person, guys. So you need to be quite careful in your situation, in your career. Maybe you have to go for that friendly attitude in your career situation, guys. So what is the card for your relationship, Libras? It's King of Cups in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your situation, this person you are with, they may not be trustworthy, guys. So maybe their behavior or something they say, you may feel that you don't share a great understanding with this person. Though you know them well, you would have felt that love and affection towards them. This person is there only to make use of you for something, so you need to be very careful with them, guys. They may also be interested in someone else. A third party may be involved here, and they are not truthful, they are not loyal. So you need to be aware of this. And also they may be talking behind your back, spreading rumors about you, something bad about you. So you have to be careful with them, guys. If you have that feeling that this person is not trustworthy, you have to stay away. That is what I see. Or maybe if in your heart of hearts you feel this person is truthful, you can go ahead, guys, with this connection. These cards, they may hint something negative sometimes, but our life is in our hands, guys. So whatever we make of our situation is always in our hands. So that is what I say when we get a negative card in some readings. So we can just take it as something to make us aware, to be careful in our situation, but not make important decisions based on this reading. So that is what I see with these cards, Libras, and that is your reading for today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Libras.